Alright, today we're gonna install some of these things. Red trunk handles. I already installed this one, but I don't have any. So we decided to buy 3 more. to have 2 on each, just to be extra cool.
I think when I did it with my other Subaru, I took out one of the risers. That's why, to help it, or one of the.
I heard that makes it like uneven.
Yeah. The same guy from earlier?
What?
Or the same car from earlier? Like, so how? Like, how tight are we supposed to make it in there?
It's supposed to like bite, but like I basically didn't tell him, like, I think if I do it any tighter, like, you know when you feel it, you know, like it might snap.
Okay. Alright.
When it gets to like that feeling, then I stop.
Damn, it feels loose. Like, it's in there, but it feels loose. Whatever, it's too late now. Alright.
Yeah, if there's actually just fuck it, might as well put it on. Put it on somewhere. Maybe on the edges. What if I did like right here? Let's say like another strip going this way, like right here. Yeah, I did that. But then it's like I used to, for sure I was touching the mirror.
Alright, finished product for homie's car. Look. Makes this car faster, right? So now, whenever you want to lift, you still get down. We need to do a reverse curl.
I just, you know, like.
Whoa. Oh, that's so lightweight.
So I do two hands. Or the other side. Or, you know, like, what do you call it? The tricep things.
There you go.